In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a stop from your route on Apple Maps. This is a handy skill if you often find yourself revising or streamlining your travel plans on the fly. Maybe you've planned a series of stops for errands or a day out but found yourself needing to make a quick change. Whether you're already en route or planning ahead, knowing how to adjust your stops can save time and keep your focus on the journey rather than the navigation. First, let's begin by opening the Apple Maps app on your device. As one of the default applications on iOS, it's easily accessible right on your home screen or within a folder if you've reorganized your apps. Simply tap the icon and you're ready to get started. Next, you'll want to view or initiate a multi-stop route. If you're currently navigating a route with multiple stops, swipe up on the route card at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up the details of your journey, allowing you to see each of your stops in a clear list. Now, if you're still in the planning stages, you'll need to enter your primary destination. Once you've done that, tap on the Add Stop button. This action will reveal a list of all the other stops you've scheduled on this trip. Now onto the main task at hand, removing a stop. Locate the stop that you no longer need or must remove for whatever reason. Simply tap and hold on the particular stop entry. This is a gesture that many apps use to indicate you'd like more options or to edit. After holding down on the stop, you'll see the option to delete. Go ahead and tap delete to confirm that you've decided to remove this stop from your route. It's as simple as that. The stop will disappear from your list and your route will automatically update to reflect this change. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to modify your travel plans in real time. By following these instructions, you're not just removing a stop, but also ensuring that your travels are as efficient and stress-free as possible. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Now you're better equipped to take control of your journeys with Apple Maps, making it easier to adapt to change on the road. Safe travels, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks.